If you suddenly had an extra $500 every month, what would you do with it? Travel? Save for retirement? Help your family? Let me know in the comments. This is Jennifer with Tiny Life After 50. What if living in a tiny house could help you keep more of your retirement income instead of watching it disappear every month? Today, I'm sharing practical money-saving tips that can make tiny house living even more affordable after 50. And many of these are simple changes that anyone can make. Welcome back to my channel. Many people over 50 choose tiny living to save money. Saving money isn't about deprivation. It's about spending intentionally. Let's jump into some easy ways to stretch your budget while enjoying your tiny home. Number one, keep utility costs low. Use LED lighting. Get a smart thermostat. Utilize ceiling fans. Use natural ventilation and insulate your home well. Small spaces naturally require less energy. Number two, buy quality instead of replacing cheap items. Have one good skillet instead of several inexpensive ones. Buy durable furniture. Get better mattresses. Use well-made kitchen tools. Tiny homes don't have room for clutter, so every item should earn its place. Number three, cook at home more often. Plan your meals and batch cook. Use slow cookers and air fryers. Avoid takeout. Small kitchens can still produce wonderful meals. Number four, downsize your monthly subscriptions. For example, downsize the number of streaming services you use. Cancel unused gym memberships. Delete some apps. Cancel magazine subscriptions and unused memberships. When was the last time you actually used all of them? Number five, embrace multi-purpose furniture. Get a storage ottoman and a fold-down table. Use a sofa bed or have a bed with storage underneath. Buying one piece that serves multiple purposes saves money over time. Number six, shop secondhand. Places to look include Facebook Marketplace, the Habitat Restore, estate sales, thrift stores. Many tiny house owners furnish beautifully without paying full price. Number seven, maintain your tiny home. Check for leaks. Clean your gutters. Maintain your heat and AC systems. Inspect your roof. Do preventative maintenance. Small repairs are much cheaper than major ones. Number eight, simplify your lifestyle. Buy less. Appreciate experiences over possessions and spend time outdoors. Take advantage of free community activities. Often the biggest savings come from changing habits. Number nine, build an emergency fund. Even tiny homes need repairs. Set aside a little each month for appliances, tires if your house is on wheels, plumbing, and unexpected expenses. Number nine, remember why you chose tiny living. Money saved can be used for travel, family, hobbies, retirement, peace of mind. Living tiny isn't just about having less, it's about making room for what matters most. In conclusion, the biggest takeaway is you don't have to make huge sacrifices to save money in a tiny house. Small, intentional choices can add up to significant savings over time. Leave me a comment. What's your favorite money-saving tip? Or what's one way tiny living has helped you save? I'd love to hear your ideas in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and join me for more tips on tiny house living, downsizing, and creating a simpler, more intentional life after 50. This has been Jennifer with Tiny Life After 50. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.